Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. Today we have the beautiful Peugeot 408, so let's check out the details. Alright then, this is the new Peugeot 408. This is the Croatian premiere of the car. The car has just been launched on the market, so I want to do a quick walk around and show you some of the details of the car. The model in our video is the Allure Business, which is like the medium trim, and I think it's a very good option because you have a beautiful design and also a lot of equipment in this pack. So if we unlock the car, you're greeted with the LED lights, and also you see the beautiful pattern on this grille, which has, by the way, the new Peugeot badge. 408 lettering is here. This is the Obsession blue color. It's actually the launch color, and in Croatia it comes at no cost, so I think it will be definitely a very popular color among the buyers. Now, side profile reveals the fastback silhouette, but also some robust details such as the wheel arches and also the side skirts. This car has 4 meters and 69 centimeters. If we move on to the rear, and also the wheels actually are the 19-inch with the new badge, and they look amazing. So the car now unlocks, so if you approach it, it will unlock. Let's unlock it manually now. You see that we have the beautiful slim LED tail lamps and also the new badge at the rear as well. Look at this. Now from this angle, how aggressive and how beautiful does this look? You also see the beautiful rear spoiler and also the attention to details, and the design lines here are just amazing. Tell me in the comments, do you agree with me? But I think this car is really a proper eye catcher on the road. Just look at this from this angle. You also get a very robust rear bumper, which is I think good because I think it will be easier to maintain a bumper like this. Now if we open the tailgate, you see a nice square shape. So not only is it good looking, but it's also very practical indeed. Net on the right, and also some hooks for your shopping bags. And look at this, this is convenient as well. And here you see some tools as well. So overall very practical, and you can also get the electronic tailgate if you prefer that one, but I think this is just fine. The car locks itself now, and yeah, we are ready to explore the interior actually, which is very nice and very modern. So you see the small steering wheel, cockpit in front of the driver. Let's jump on board actually, and I will be quick here. So let's turn on the engine. Alright then, this is the layout in front of the driver, the 10-inch cockpit and the 10-inch main touchscreen. You also get this panel here, the toggle. You can configure what you see here. There are also some physical buttons, hazard lights, wireless charger for the phone, new minimalistic gear selector, USB port, 12-volt power supply, and also you see the cup holders with this roller, drive mode selector, sport, normal, and eco are the options. You also get the storage area here with USB port, and here additional room. This is the new infotainment system. Not gonna go through all the details as I covered that many times. We also have a lot of customization available here. So if you press this customization, now here you can configure the driver's cockpit and the main touchscreen. You can also change the color of the infotainment system itself. Various options are available, and yeah, well, you can also change the color of the ambient lights, which are located here. Now I'm not sure if you can see that. Maybe yes, but I will do a video during the night, so there you will be able to see more. And you will press the home screen, home button or panel here actually to go into this section, and the navigation has the lovely view as well with 3D shape of the buildings in the cities. This is the new badge that you see here. And yeah, well, overall it's a really nice place to be here. And this is how it looks from the rear. So look at this, still some room left. I'm 1.87 m and also for my knees. So even though we have the fastback silhouette of the car, it's got a very clever roofline, which means still plenty of space. So it's a big thumb up from me. Now you can see it with the daytime running lights on. So in terms of powertrains, currently there are the options of this one, which is the PureTech petrol with 130 horsepower. There's also the option of two plug-in hybrids, either 225 horsepower, which is the top of the line model, or the 180 horsepower. But there will be also the mild hybrid available later this year, as well as the fully electric version. Tell me in the comments what would be your choice of an engine for the new Peugeot 408. Alright guys, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do subscribe, as there will be plenty of more to come. We are going on a point of view drive, so stay tuned for that as well. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.